In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 Valve anti-cheat was unable to verify that your machine is secure. So you just have to search for Steam. Once you have Steam, just open file location and just open file location again. And once you are in here, you just go to properties and go to compatibility and run this program as an administrator and click apply. Now, if it still doesn't work, just go to Steam and wait for it to load. Now, once you are in here, you should go right click your Dota 2 and go to properties and just go to installed files and you must click verify integrity of game files. Now, that is just the second method, and the third method is just go to and is just go to manage and uninstall. You must uninstall Dota 2 and reinstall it again to fix that problem. And once it's done, that would fix the tattoo for having that error, and that's it.